Hello guys, my name's Todd, and today we are going to be using the consumer Toddy cold brew system to make some cold brew coffee. So first what we want to do, we want to put our little rubber stopper into the bottom of it. We want to make sure it's placed in there nice and tight so you're not leaking out any coffee. You add our little felt filter into here, into the very bottom of it. You just place that down nice and evenly. Alright, and then the next step, you put in our bag filter here. You kind of just cram it in there as best as you can. Alright, and then you open up the bag of FRC cold brew, and dump it in there. Make sure you're not missing anything. What I like to do whenever I'm brewing coffee, I always just give it a little swirl to make it nice and even on the top. We're gonna add 1,900 grams or 64 fluid ounces of cold or room temp water. When you're pouring the water, you want to evenly saturate the grounds, so it's best to pour in circles. You can either spin it. I like to spin mine whenever I make my cold brew, so that way I'm not making a mess with the water or anything. And then when that's done, you take your little handy spoon, kind of just mix it around, so that way any coffee that you didn't get wet is going to get nice and saturated then. Make sure you get in the side and you're scraping the sides a little bit. Alright, and then you're gonna just close the bag up a little bit and then just put the lid on top. And now we're just gonna let it sit for 12 to 24 hours. Alright, we're back after 24 hours, letting our cold brew go overnight. And all we do now, we pull our little plug down here and you just set it right on top right there. Nice. Easy. Wow. That's pretty cool.